Okay, YouTube, let's fix this report right here. That basically means that we need to go into this file and copy paste our PHP code designated for reporting, which is this piece of code. But what is the name of file? Yeah, datainsert.php. So file, open, data insert, and down there we will put that report script, kinda. So let's grab everything from here. And yes, I know I can use, dedicated PHP file for this report, but for right now, I'm just gonna be messy and be focused on actual update script that we are going to write in this tutorial. So I don't care about code right now. Let's just get things done, okay? So paste, save, and I think that right now when I run this thing, I will have a new row. And I will have report here, so that's completely fine. Right, couple of them, because I was refreshing this couple of times, so cool. So that works. Let me check. That works. Okay, this works. Right, cool stuff. So let me fix this navigation, because if I click on update right now, because my navigation will lead to update.php, I have that script already. So let's change this link to update by ID, because I don't want to cancel one script with another script. Okay, so let's create this form. Okay, update by ID, file, new, file, save as, update by id.php, and let's see what we can steal from other scripts here. This is the file, I think. Yeah, so let's grab this navigation and let's grab everything from here up till now. Okay, so this is just a form, right? So let me see what I need to change. I need navigation, and I need to this form, and down there we need to close our file. But the actual script that will process data will be like I don't know, update all script, something like that, who cares. So we need to have ID here, because that's how we will get unique row, and then we'll change based on that row every other fields. So ID, update ID, ID. So what else we need to have here? We need down there to have a report, so let's grab those things. Dedicated for connection, that will be this up till here, well, everything pretty much. So let's copy paste that, let me see, down there from form, and I think that will get the job done. Yeah, the form is totally at the top, but who cares? I said that code is messy, but it will get the job done. So refresh and update. And that works. So we are here, we have navigation, we have a new field dedicated for ID, connection successful, and we have our report. Right, so next thing, we need to create that actual script. Update all script, okay, that will get the actual job done. So copy, file, new, save as, update all scripts.php. Right, so we will work here. Let me see what we can grab from other scripts. I need to go to my old script, update.php. Probably we can use something from here. So we have parameters, communication, check communication, command. Yeah, so we can use this as a base. Copy. Let's basically grab everything into update all script. Right, so first thing first, we need to grab those things from our form, and there is a lot of it. So let's do that relatively quickly if I can. What we have, ID, we will get that with post, and let's use this as a base basically, because I want to save a couple of seconds or minutes here, probably minutes. So we are grabbing ID. Let me see, that was just ID. Okay, that's cool. What else we are grabbing? Name, last name, telephone, and email. Name, last name, telephone, email, address, and I think that's it. Let me check. Name, last name, telephone, email, and address. And yeah, we need, well, that's it. That's pretty much it. So let's just copy these variables on the left side, hopefully. Okay, telephone. So basically I'm doing this because I need to use these things down there into pure SQL command. Okay, nothing special here, it just demands a couple of minutes. So that's it. So now we need to use these things down there into actual SQL command. Right, so let's delete everything because I don't want to confuse myself all over again. So update, what we are updating, table people. Okay, set, you know this from MySQL tutorials. And now we need to go column by column. So name of column is name, in this case for name of person, and we are grabbing things from here. Okay, so we are grabbing this name through form and we are putting that into actual command that we need to execute a little bit later with this piece of code. Okay, so after that, don't forget to type comma. So this is pure MySQL kind of stuff, but don't mix these, don't intermix these single quotes, double quotes here and there, because you will definitely run into error like I in the meantime while I was practicing this stuff. And you can probably see that by number of rows here that I was changing columns and so on. But yeah, at the end of the day, the thing will work. So what else we are changing? Last name, and another thing is telephone, and another thing is mail. I think, is that in that order? Let me see. Oh, telephone, email, address. Okay, so email and address. Well, now this is end of command, so now we need to say where. So where ID from table equals ID from HTML form, right? ID, and now we need to close our command basically with this. Okay, so you can push it to next line if you want things to see clearer. So let me check. Comma, 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 single quotes, outside we have double quotes, here we don't have any kind of quotes, and that will probably work. So this ID, we are grabbing that from here, okay, like a dynamic ID grabbing, not assertion, just updating. Okay, so yeah, let's refresh this thing, and let's use some let's change, for example, number 14. Okay, ID 14, and I will just type gibberish here because I want to easily detect that into my report. Okay, telephone 999 999, whatever, email something like this. Okay, it's totally stupid, but I will see that more clearer in table immediately. Right, so submit. Connection successful. So let me check that into actual database. Yeah, so definitely that works for number 14. Yeah, so our table works. Bravo, hurrah, and something like that. Where I was, I'm starting to lose myself from this PHP mess. Okay, so let's also have here report. Let me see what I need to use from here. Get a report on delete page. As I said, you can put this into individual PHP include files, but I don't care about that right now. So this was our file. Let's copy paste that down there. And here we need to have navigation. So include navigation .php. I think that's cool. We must close our command and one level back, refresh. Let's update something else, for example number 9, and we will type z's here. ZZZ top, whatever. Yeah, telephone ZZZ. And address, of course, ZZ. Submit. Yeah, that works. Excellent. This was a long tutorial and a couple of other tutorials before. So as I said, you can grab these things from the bottom of your script and you can put it into individual reports. So you can change that to in all of these scripts, including forms. But that's a lot of work for me right now, and that these things works. So I will leave that to you. You can practice with this if you like, and if you don't have a time, if you're tired, something like that, you can just leave it as I was leaving it right here. So let me see one more time. Is that thing working? Okay, so that's cool. New post. That's working. Let's type something like ddd. So now we are not changing things. See, we don't have ID here. We're just grabbing new stuff. Okay, something like that. And ddd. This thing must work. Right. So that works. Delete by ID. Let's delete number 14. Number 14. This is actually very handy. I can use this to make some money outside. Submit. So that works. Hell yeah. Update. We're gonna update number 9 with new stuff. Q. Oh, here, sorry. Q. Telephone. Email. Address Q, who cares? Submit. And that thing works. Why this thing is offering me to translate stuff, I really don't know. So yeah, that's excellent actually. I can really use this to create some kind of money making website outside with a little bit of AdSense here and down there. I can fix this navigation, I can use Bootstrap 4 and so on, but definitely I'm gonna leave that for, I don't know, next month or so, because I'm kind of tired from this PHP and MySQL playlist in the last 1 month. So yeah, as always, thank you for watching and see you in some other playlist. This is end of this playlist, and next one will be dedicated for, let me see, for JavaScript. Yeah, so we will do JavaScript. Thank you for watching as always. Thank you for support and subscription. Sorry for these tutorials being a little bit longer than I thought, but right now you have really nice CMS that you can work on. Right. You can even change this and put this into your CV or something. So, thank you for watching. See you next tutorial.